Porsche is adding a surprising new feature to the 2027 Taycan, and it is something many people never expected to see from the company. After previously questioning the need for simulated gear changes in electric vehicles, Porsche has now introduced a system called eShift that recreates the sensation of shifting through gears while driving. The new feature allows drivers to select from 8 virtual gears using steering wheel paddles. Porsche says the system has been carefully tuned to feel natural and engaging, giving drivers a more interactive connection with the car. A virtual rev counter, gear indicator, shift lights, and even a simulated rev limiter help create an experience that feels closer to driving a traditional performance car. The move comes at a time when more automakers are looking for ways to make electric vehicles feel emotionally engaging. While electric power delivers instant acceleration, some enthusiasts miss the rhythm and involvement that comes from changing gears. Porsche appears to be addressing that demand without sacrificing the performance benefits of an electric powertrain. The Taycan was already unique because it featured a real 2-speed transmission on the rear axle, helping balance acceleration and efficiency. Now with eShift, Porsche is taking the driving experience a step further by adding an extra layer of driver involvement. The updates for 2027 are not limited to the new shifting system. In North America, the Taycan, Taycan 4, and Taycan 4S now receive the larger 105 kilowatt-hour battery pack as standard equipment. Most versions also gain a NACS charging port, improving compatibility with a growing charging network. Inside the cabin, Porsche has refined the infotainment software and upgraded the wireless charging area with a magnetic mounting system and up to 25 watts of charging power. These improvements are designed to make daily use more convenient while keeping the Taycan competitive in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. With deliveries scheduled to begin this fall, the 2027 Taycan shows that Porsche is willing to rethink old ideas if it means creating a more enjoyable driving experience. Whether enthusiasts embrace virtual gear changes remains to be seen, but Porsche is clearly betting that driving excitement still matters in the electric era.